Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Remember the joy of bedtime stories? The excitement of getting lost in adventures with funny, talking animals? Now imagine bringing that magic back, but this time on screens kids love the most. The world of entertainment is changing. Short, attention-grabbing videos are ruling the roost, especially on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And guess what? Kids are devouring them. Introducing Toonimal, your ultimate shortcut to cashing in on this booming trend. Step into a world of imaginative animation with our first batch of handcrafted cartoon animated vertical kids story videos, ready to captivate young minds and fill your pockets with profit. Forget blurry, budget-quality content. Every Toonimal video boasts stunning visuals and captivating animations that kids can't get enough of. Imagine dazzling colors, adorable characters, and stories that spark their imaginations. Editing? A breeze. Toonimal integrates seamlessly with Canva, giving you complete control to brand, customize, and even add your own creations. No complex software, just drag and drop magic. More than just entertainment, Toonimal is packed with valuable lessons about friendship, resilience, and facing challenges. Watch those happy smiles light up faces as kids learn and grow with each engaging story. Now comes the best part. With our PLR license, you're the boss. Resell, rebrand, repurpose Toonimal content as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. But here's the catch. This golden opportunity won't last forever. This exclusive launch offer vanishes in a few hours, so grab Toonimal at a fraction of the regular price and start reaping the rewards today. Don't let this chance slip away. Click that button below and unlock a world of fun, learning, and endless profit potential with Toonimal.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr, and pocket the difference gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.